The benefits of attending the choral conference in the 2025 Palawan International Choral Festival on August the 13th to the 16th in Puerto, Princesa City. A. For MAPEH and Music Education teachers and students. The conference theme, Voices Beyond Borders, the interdisciplinary art of choral singing, particularly its sociological focus, offers a profound and transformative impact on music education by reframing choral singing not just as an artistic endeavor, but as a social and educational movement. When aligned with the outcomes-based education framework, this conference becomes a pivotal ground for rethinking how we teach, why we teach, and what we want our learners to become through choral music. Alignment with outcomes-based teaching. A. Emphasizing tangible competencies. OBE focuses on what learners can demonstrate at the end of a learning process. The sociological approach to choral singing directly supports this by fostering measurable outcomes like communication and collaboration skills, cultural sensitivity, community engagement, leadership and organizational competence in ensemble settings. B. Encouraging reflective and applied learning. Through the lens of OBE, educators can frame choral experiences as platforms for critical thinking, identity development, and emotional intelligence, skills that go beyond technical performance and are essential for holistic development. C. Promoting lifelong learning and citizenship. Choral participation rooted in sociological awareness prepares students to be active cultural citizens, not just musicians. This fulfills OBE's broader goal, to produce graduates who are socially responsible, adaptive, and community-oriented. The conference is not just timely but necessary. It offers music educators and institutions a path to evolve, shifting from tradition-bound instruction to outcomes-based, interdisciplinary, socially rooted learning that reflects the real power of choral singing, to transform individuals and societies. Register now at www.nfc.com to gain these benefits. The festival rates are as follows. A. Competition Observer Access. 1,000 pesos, includes complimentary access to all competitions and a souvenir program. B. Conference Participant Package. 5,500 pesos, includes everything in option A. Plus, participation and access to the choral conference, morning and afternoon snacks, and lunch for 3 days, festival registration, VIP seating at all festival events. C. Full Conference Plus Accommodation Package. Includes everything in option B. Plus 5 days 4 nights accommodation at City State Asturias Hotel, check-in August 13th, check-out August 17th, includes breakfast and airport transfers. Rates per person, single occupancy, 15,000 pesos. Double occupancy, 11,000. Triple occupancy, 9,500, and quadruple occupancy, 9,000 pesos. The 2025 Palawan International Choral Festival. August the 13th to the 16th in Puerto, Princesa City. Sponsorships and discount rates are available. Request for your letters of invitation at filipinochoirs@gmail.com or through the NFC representatives.